everybody! So today is such a beautiful day. The weather is so sunny. Now I'm gonna go to the university because I have a lecture on innovation institution. And then I'm gonna meet my lovely brother, gonna have some lunch at the cafeteria. And then my boyfriend is gonna be a DJ in a club tonight. So super proud of him. And yeah, I'm so excited for this day. Let's get it started. Anyeong. Let's go to lunch.
Yay. Long time.
Ciao, Pa.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Articles for foreigners are the most complicated thing that exists. It's like
if you never leave.
Look, my dad baked this cake for me. Thank you, Dad. I came to my hometown to see my dad, and here they have some kind of festival called Schweinfurter Volksfest. So now we're gonna go there and enjoy our time. We're gonna ride some roller coasters and we'll eat some delicious grilled mackerel. Let's go! On our way to get some lunch at a very old-fashioned German Wirtshaus. So yeah, let's enjoy our lunch.
I fall in love too fast, but it feels so good. I've never felt this so understood. She makes me feel like it's just her and me. But baby, I'm worried, I'm sorry, I'm just so scared to get hurt again. But I'm worried.
Danke. Yeah, we got that lunch and we got that German beer mixed with some Sprite, and that was really refreshing. But now I just made myself an ice cold water. I know it's not the healthiest, but you know, when it's freaking 35 degrees outside. You just need some ice cold water, and I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna read a book outside and maybe do a little bit of homework. Yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the last day here at my dad's, and then later we're gonna go to the festival again, and then I'm gonna go back to Frankfurt.
Burger.
Steak
Life
and cheese
and life juice.
and yogurt. Weißt du, was das ist?
Joghurt.
Joghurt.
Ja, natürlich weiß ich, was es ist.
What is it?
Zucchini.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So we just came out of the restaurant.
Yay!
How was it, baby?
Unfortunately, we were unlucky.
Unlucky. Unlucky is the right word. It was good.
The food was great, but it was not enough.
Tiny.
Yeah, it was not enough.
Yeah.
And it was very, very, very expensive food.
Expensive food. Yeah. It was good. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.